2 ways to delete photos from Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you through 2 steps where you can delete the photos from Facebook. Now if you open up the Facebook app and log into your ID, now head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon here, and then if you scroll down you'll get the option Photos. Now you can head over there and you'll find all your photos under Uploads. And here, to delete a photo, what you can do is open up the photo and you'll find the 3 dots option just above your picture or your post, and then here you'll get the option to delete photo and you can just delete it from here. How do you delete a photo that someone has uploaded? Now if somebody has uploaded a photo of you and tagged you in it, then it will appear here on photos of you. Now first what you would want to do is, I don't have any photos of me or tagged photos right here, but I'll just show you. Now if you open up this and you can tap on the 3 dots and there you'll get the option to remove tag. Now if you tap on remove tag, tag will be removed and the picture won't be shown on your timeline and your profile. However, the picture will be there on Facebook for anyone else to see. Now you can't delete that photo, but what you can do is open up that picture and tap on 3 dots and then you can report it. Now hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.